Hey guys, what's up? It's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have the new Juvia'S Place eyeshadow palette. I always want to say Juvia'S Palace. I don't know why, but Juvia'S Place eyeshadow palette. It is called The Festival by Juvia'S, and I was so excited to get my hands on this palette because it looks so cool. The colors looked amazing, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on it. It's just so bright and beautiful and just gorgeous. Anyways, I'm just gonna go through the shades real quick. You have Izafa. I'm not, the best person to, pronounce these names, but this is Izafa. Then you have Yuli. I hope I am saying these remotely correct. This looks really, really nice. Then there is Ofala. Like, how beautiful is this? Then you have, Manwu. I think it's Manwu. I'm gonna hope it is Manwu. Then there is Iri G. Or Iri G. One of the two. Then there is Oro, which I use as my transitioning color. There is Odogwu. Really beautiful. I have it on my lid. I have it as my highlight on my nose, on my cheeks, because it was so gorgeous. I had to use it as a highlight. It was so pretty. Then there is Aba, which I have no words for this color. It's so beautiful. Then there is Keleke, which is just wow. It's so beautiful. So gorgeous. Alright, so these are the shades of the palette. They all look so pretty. I love it. Palette is amazing. I loved working with it. It worked really well. If you guys want to see the look, then just keep watching.